and welcome to the Plane Table Survey Practical. In today's practical, we are going to see the different accessories that are used in Plane Table Survey. So the first accessory that is used in Plane Table Survey is a plane alidade. So here this is nothing but a scale which is made up of a brass, and at the one end of this plane alidade it is marked or graduated, okay, just like a scale. And if you see this edge is called as a beveled edge because it is a slanting edge, okay. And to this plane alidade, at one end there is a eye vane, and at the other end there is the object vane, and from where the object is sighted, that vane is called as object vane, and vane from which we look is called as eye vane, okay. And both the vanes are hinged to this scale, or we call it as a ruler, okay. The second instrument that is used is a magnetic needle, okay, and this magnetic needle is used to mark the north direction, okay. Then the next accessory is a spirit level, which is used to level the plane table, okay. Now when we are leveling the plane table, this spirit level is kept in two positions. Suppose this is the first position, then you have to bring this bubble at the center, and then you have to change the position and bring the bubble, the spirit in the center, okay. So the next accessory is called as a U-fork. So this is the U-fork, okay. So this is the upper arm of the U-fork, and this is the lower arm. Now if you see the upper arm, it is a pointed one, and if you see the lower arm, to this lower arm a string is there, and to this string a plumb bob is hanged, okay. So the use of this U-fork, it is also called as plumbing fork. It is used for the centering purpose, okay. So with the help of this U-fork, we can transfer the ground point on the sheet, and from the sheet also we can transfer the point to the ground, okay. Then other accessories are the drawing instrument such as pencil, scale and drawing sheet, okay. So these were the different accessories of plane table survey. So here the plane alidade is used for the sighting of the object. Then spirit level used for leveling the plane table. Then magnetic needle used to mark the north direction. Then U-fork or plumbing fork used for the centering purposes. Then the different accessories, drawing accessories are scale, pencil, drawing sheet, eraser and drawing clips, okay. So these were the different accessories that are used in the plane table survey. Thank you. Hello and welcome to the video. In this video we are going to see the temporary adjustment of plane table survey. So the first temporary adjustment of plane table survey is setting up of the plane table, okay. So this is the plane table which is set up over the tripod stand, okay. Now to this tripod stand there are two nuts. This one is a lower one, or we can say two wing nuts are there, lower one and upper one. The upper one is used for leveling purpose and lower one is used for rotating the plane table, okay. So in this adjustment you have to fix the plane table such that it is very easy to work. Generally we fix at 1 meter height so that it will be very convenient for us to work. So this is the first temporary adjustment, that is setting up the plane table, okay. Now the second temporary adjustment is leveling. Now as we know that the leveling is done with the help of spirit level, okay. Now this is the spirit level. Now we have to keep this spirit level in the two position. So this is the first position, and you have to bring the spirit at the center, okay, by unclamping the upper wing nut, okay. And then you have to keep this spirit level in the perpendicular position to the first position, and you can rotate the, okay, and bring that spirit at the center, okay. So in this way you have to bring that spirit at the center, okay. So in this way at the two position this spirit should be at the center, or if you want to do very precisely you can keep this spirit level at the two opposite corner in these two positions. Okay. So likewise, in the two opposite corner you can keep the spirit and bring that bubble in the center. So this is done when there is very precise work is done. Okay. Now after that, the next temporary adjustment is centering, and as we know that centering is done with the help of U-form. Okay. Now here in this case, now already the ground point is marked, and we have to transfer this ground point on the sheet. So for that purpose we'll use this U-form. Okay. So the third temporary adjustment is centering. So centering is nothing but you have to transfer the ground point on the sheet or sheet point on the ground. Okay. But the definition of centering is to set up the instrument exactly over the station point. Okay. So here, if you see, the lower end of this U4, which is string is hanged, and to that the plumb bob is here. So the plumb bob is hanging exactly over the station peg, and on the sheet where the upper arm is there, so here we'll mark the station point. Okay. So here we have done the centering. So the ground point is transferred on the sheet, okay, by using this U4. Okay. So this is the third temporary adjustment, that is centering, and the fourth one is the orientation. In orientation, two methods are there. One is by using the magnetic needle method, and second one is by the back sighting method. Okay. So here we will mark only the north direction. Okay. So here the north direction is marked with the help of this magnetic needle. Okay. So these were the different temporary adjustment of the plane table survey. First one, setting up of the plane table. Second one was leveling. Third one is the centering, and fourth one is the orientation. So thank you very much.